In this video, I'll show you how to buy and sell Pi on both Bitget and Gate.io using simple spot trading. First, make sure you already have USDT on each exchange. On both apps, go to Assets, Spot, and check that your USDT is in the Spot wallet because that's the balance you'll use for trading Pi. Let's start on Bitget. Open the app, tap Trade, Spot, then tap the trading pair at the top and search for PI/USDT or the Pi pair available. Select it, then choose your order type. For beginners, I'd mark it as the easiest because it buys at the current price. Enter how much USDT you want to spend and tap Buy Pi, then confirm. When you're ready to sell on Bitget, stay on the same pair, switch to the Sell tab, pick Market again, enter how much Pi you want to sell, and tap Sell Pi. Now on Gate.io, the steps are very similar. Go to Trade to Spot, tap the pair selector, search for PI/USDT and select it. Use Buy with Market Order and USDT to purchase Pi, and when you want to exit, use Sell on the same pair to convert Pi back to USDT. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.